I can't believe it. I've literally just been able to get Keeley to sit on my hand here, and I've got Kev sitting on my arm. They never do this. They never do this. And now it's like she's just been sitting on me for ages. She never does this. What are you cooing about? I think he's jealous. Pretty sure he's jealous. She's shaking a little bit, but she's not scared. This is amazing. She never sits on me. She was sitting on my foot a minute ago, and I just put my hand out for her to sit on it, and she just did. What's up, babe? Are you okay? This is amazing. You've never sat on me like this before. This is huge. This is like, I don't know what to say. I really don't. She's never sat on me like this before. Kev's coming to visit us again. I'm still in shock. Everything okay? You okay, sweetie?